Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and here let's scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got the ringtone section. We've got only two different options, so we've got the ringtone for the incoming calls and notification sound. So let me enter the ringtone in order to show you how to change it. Of course, give all the permissions, and as you can see we've been transferred directly to the list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of options. What's more, we can enter this on this device option, which simply means that we will be able to pick the file which we've got currently saved on our device, for example, which was downloaded from the internet or recorded. As you can see, you've got the recordings here also, so you will be able to find it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ringtones, and basically all we have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And of course let me unmute this device. So as you can see, after tapping on particular ringtone, you will be able to listen to it. And if you will decide that you like this ringtone, so for example in my case the holiday one, make sure that it is marked and let's go back. As you can see, it is notified right here, which means that it has been successfully set and from now on your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. Of course it will work the same with the notification sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.